stories, but if the main character had a brain. Hey,
Hey,
can I add my other bestie?
no lol.
Okay, I'll add her.
Bitch. I said no.
Hey, why did you kick her?
I told you no.
Hey, why do you do that?
'Cause I don't want her here.
You're so selfish.
Girl, what I ain't your motherfuck dolphin.
I mean selfish. You're making fun of me, I'ma drop you. My other bestie was much better.
Girl, I don't need your dolphin at SS here. Bye.
We're in heaven.
What are gulps? Well, I DC since I got infinite. I'ma go to the GC and ask them, hey guys.
See you next week. Sounds good, man. I think we just accidentally kissed. Quick, do something manly. What the